Students, today I'm going to discuss two stories about flying, which has been written by Lyme O'Flaherty and Frederick Forsyth. Before we start lesson, his first flight, first we know about writer. Liam O'Flaherty was a major Irish novelist, short story writer, and must be ranked as one of the foremost socialist writers in the first part of the 20th century, writing about the common people's experience and from their perspectives. He was born 20th August 1896 in Inishmore, Ireland, died 7th September 1984, Dublin, Ireland. He has written several books: The Sniper 1923, The Informer 1925, Feminine 1937, Short Stories collection of short stories 1937, Thy Neighbor's Wife 1923. Now, in this lesson, two stories about flying is a combination of two inspiring stories: his first flight and the Black Aeroplane. These stories show that bravery and cowardice are the relative terms. One should not lose hope while in danger, like the young seagull and the pilot of the plane. They succeeded to achieve their aim when they tried hard to overcome with their fear. Now, I want to discuss about the characters. Story 1, his first flight. Family of seagulls. There are 6 members in the family of seagulls. Young seagull, one who is unable to fly due to fear. Now I am starting his first flight summary. This story is about a family of seagulls. There was a young child in the family who was unable to fly even after several tries. The story highlights the importance of family and friends in one's life. It also gives the message that one needs to believe in self to overcome all the hurdles of own life. The Seagull Family. The Seagull family consists of 6 seagulls: mother, father, 3 sons, and 1 daughter. All of them except the youngest son are expert in flying high. His parents have tried several times to teach him how to fly, but he is scared to do that and does not want to try any more. He relies on the food that his parents bring back from their flights. Young seagulls fear of flying. The youngest son is afraid of flying, as he thinks that if he flies, his wings would not support him and he would fall down in the sea below and drown. Even his parents have rebuked him. They even threatened him if he does not fly, he would die of hunger, but he does not try. Parents leave young seagull alone. After so many failed attempts, his parents leave him alone on the rock without food. They even taunt him for his cowardice. The young seagull looks at his brothers and sister, enjoying swimming, diving in the sea water for fish to feed themselves. But no one comes near him to offer food. Hunger and heat increase. As the time passes, the young seagull could not tolerate the hunger and the heat. He moves closer to the ledge and pretends to fall asleep, but nobody takes notice of him. His brothers and sister have already had hearty breakfast, and father seems busy in admiring and cleaning the feathers on his back. The mother looks at him and tries to tempt him with pieces of fish. His begging and crying does not affect her. Young seagull dives for food. The young seagull was very hungry. He was surprised enough at his mother's ignorance of his pitiful condition. Thus, he dives for food. He begins to fall down with a scream. As soon as he dives, fight begins. The young seagull begins to fall in the sea. He is afraid of drowning, so he tries to spread his wings outwards and begins flying. He feels a little dizzy, but all his fear vanished, disappeared. He soars slowly downwards and upwards. He could finally fly on his own. Joy of flight and reunion of family. The seagull becomes so happy and soars higher, calling ga ga ga. It was really a joyous moment for the whole family. His brothers and sister, along with his parents, come near to encourage and cheer him. The young seagull successfully made his first flight. Student, I want to give you word meaning from page number 30. Ledge means a narrow horizontal sail. Brink, edge, attempted, tried. Flap, to move wings up and down. Muster up, gather. Plunge, dive. Page 33. Shrille, sharply. Upbraiding means rebuking. Starve, die of hunger. Skim, moving lightly over an area surface. Dive means plunge. Hearing, a kind of fish. Devour, eat at a great speed. Cackle, cackling sound. Taunting, jeering. Cowardice, lack of courage. Blazing, shining with great heat, burning. Page number 34. Dozing, feeling sleepy. Preening, smoothing feathers with beak. Scrapped, rubbed. Maddened, was mad. Now here it is given. Wet means sharpening. Derisively means mockingly. Plaintively means sorrowfully. Leaned out means knelt. Page 35. Tapping, beating lightly. Here it is given. Halted means stopped. Monstrous, very fearful. Saged, cowed. Headlong, head downwards. Soaring means flying upwards. Dizzy means confused, spinning. Swooped means pounced. Curveting means moving with an action. Banking, flying with one wing higher than the other. Commended means praised. Ridge means wavy edge. Cowed means made a cawing sound. Beckoning means signaling. Okay students, the black aeroplane story 2 I will give you in next video.